Hey people, Jay here and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be cleaning my multi-purpose room here. My husband and I, as you can see, we share this room together and I need to take care of some things. So let's get started. So this is my vanity here, which I need to clean off and clear, declutter some things, because I've found some bugs, as you all will see later on in the video. There's lots of things that are just out of order and I just need to declutter a lot of these drawers that you see here, things that I, for the most part, do not use or haven't used in a couple of months, a couple of years. I know that sounds bad, but I need to get rid of some things. And as you can see here, even though I have the labels, these are things from my YouTube channel and my editing that I do. So I'm just going to see, look at this. I can't even open up the drawer because it's just things stuffed in the drawer. Now, for the most part, once I get finished clearing off some things, cleaning some things, wiping down some things, a lot of these things I'm going to keep, but it's a lot of things that I'm going to get rid of too. Like I said, it's just stuff that I just really don't utilize. Now this room is looking a lot more cleaned. I've cleaned off and wiped down a lot of things, and I've gone through and decluttered a lot of the drawers. The only drawers I didn't touch were my husband's. But if you can see over in this area here on the top of my vanity, as you saw in the video, I cleaned out and decluttered a lot of unnecessary things. As you will see in the drawer here, this is a lot better organized for when I'm doing my hair. Same thing here. I have all my hair accessories all put together now, so they're easily to find. And I even have my hair dryer and my scissors for cutting my hair. At times I have to do that. My hair wraps are these things here. These are the ones that I wear more often, and more hair wraps and hair turbans that I usually like to place on my hair. In this area here, it was a lot better organized. I switched around a couple of things. Then these are the wigs that I wear from time to time. Here are the wig caps that I have to wear underneath the. This is like my junk drawer, I guess you could say, of small things that I need. And this is one of my book drawers where I keep my journals and things when I like to spend time with God. Now this area here, even though it was a lot messier than it was, but these are all the things that I use for my YouTube channel and making, or when I'm doing editing. Here you see that I have all my batteries. I need to get some more of those labels from Amazon because the labels that I have are mainly for the office. Well, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if this is the type of content that you like. Make today awesome, and I'll see you guys in the next one.